What's up, my YouTube family? So today we're going to be doing a different type of video. Like I said in my last video, my channel isn't just crocheting. So today we're introducing sewing. I'm slightly under the weather, but I'm feeling fine. You can just kind of hear it. But we're not staying in bed anymore. I'm trying to be in bed. But anyways, yes. So we're going to be doing a DIY sewing video today, and we're going to be basically we're going to just do a little bit of, I don't know exactly what to call it, but we're going to be doing some sewing today, really, on a collared shirt I bought a while back that is too short. So I'm just going to do a little bit to try and make the sleeves longer. Not a whole lot, but in my mind it looks cute. We're trying to see if I can put that out in my project. This is my shirt in question. I don't know. This is the shirt I'm talking about. I got it from Shein, and I think it's cute. The sleeves flare out, like the bottom sleeves. The shirt goes in at your waist and out towards your hips. So it's, I don't know, it's cute. It's cute to me, but the sleeves are too short. It gives like 3/4 length sleeves, and I don't like that. I kind of like my sleeves to be longer than average. Like, these sleeves aren't technically short, but I like my sleeves to be like here. So yeah, we're gonna try and fix this today. So what we're going to do is cut. We're going to hem, and then we're going to put these safety pins in there to give that look. The largest ones, which I think are like 1.5 inches long. So yeah, very simple. And then the only thing I was like is deciding the color of thread that I want to do. I have lots of thread. This is not even all the ones I have. I lost my black one though. I don't know what happened to that. But I found white, so we're gonna do white. Sounds like a good, safe bet. White with a gold, kind of. Yeah, that'd be cute. I like that. So white with a bobbin. I think that's the name of this. I don't know all the terms. I know how to do it though. I've been putting this off for so long. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. If this turns out wrong, it's probably just gonna go in the giveaway. But it's alright. It's a learning experience as well. You know what I mean? Good experience. So let's try this on really, really quickly, just so I can see where I want to cut the sleeves at. I'm thinking somewhere right here. You see what I mean? Like, it comes in. It's not looking very flattering right now, but this is where a design will come in. You put the belt here to cinch. It gives doctor vibes. Okay, so I think I want to put it, yeah, here. That's not half bad. We'll take it. We'll take it. Alright. We have 2 pieces, and they're the same length, so I'm happy with that. I feel like this next step is kind of one of the hardest because I don't have the most steady hands, and so when I'm trying to like hem it, it ends up, the stitches be like jagged looking, and I'm like, oh, that's not what I wanted. That's what I end up with. So we're turning these inside out, and we're going to insert pins here and just hem it like a very, very little bit because we want to keep most of the length. This is what we have. Now we're just going to use a simple stitch. I think we want to use a zigzag stitch. so I've completed the first one, and I like the stitch that I chose. Flip it right side. I'm happy with that. I like it. I think it's cute. I'm happy I kind of did the goldish, yellowish, so I can match with these pins I put in later. But yeah, I like it. I think it'll work. We'll see. I really want to put it on in later. But yeah, I'll come back to you guys when I do all 4, and then we're putting the pins in. Okay, so I've completed all of my sides. All of them have been hemmed. 1, 2, and then both of the arms are done. See? So now I'm just gonna put some safety pins on here, and I'm gonna turn you guys so that you can see. So we're gonna take the largest ones that I have. Excuse you. Should be these ones. Again, I think they're like 1.5 inches. Dang. Okay. So I think oh, I like that. Okay. I like that. I like it a lot. Can you guys hear my voice? It sounds horrific, doesn't it? We love that. Okay. I'm done. I'm done. Ecstatic. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Here she is. Can you guys see with all this white contrast? Can you see? Can't tell if you guys can see. What do you think? How does that look to you guys? That looks ugly. I know it looks wrinkled. It like, you guys are like, what? It elongated it a little bit. Still not enough to my liking. I think it's cute. Okay. Food for thought though, because the sleeves are still a little bit, I keep feeling like there's something like hair there, but it's not. It's just my earring. But anyways, food for thought. I have some fabric that I gotta see if it matches, but I'm just thinking in my head that it might. Let me grab it real quick. Oh my goodness. I think it matches. Come. Oh shoot, just moved you guys all over the place. Adios. Okay. I have this shoe. What is this? Silk like fabric, but it matches. So my thought process is put some of this at the end, like to elongate it so it elongates here. Keep the slit idea, but just to make this longer. Add like a cuff of this. I don't even know like how to put it, or like a ruffle since it will go under. I don't know. What you guys think? I can make it cute. Could I? Maybe. It depends on my seamstress skills, to be honest. But so, you know, I like it. It kind of gives me like an anime vibe, if I'm being real. Like, I don't know. It's giving me anime, but at the same time, because of the style, it's giving me doctor. But either way, I like it. Like right now, I look like I'm in the office and like I'm giving you some type of report. But I like it nonetheless. Now I need to style it. I think it'd be cute with like a skirt. Just to like come under. So this reaches, can't even see, all the way down here, like almost at my fingertips, which is just above mid-thigh. Pair with a skirt with a like a good black shirt like this. Excuse me. And then like a waist belt or like a corset type cinching type belt thing, which I kind of have. Let me grab. So something like this. Put it around. You know what I'm saying? Do you like glue some makeup? A hat would go good with this. I feel like a cowgirl's hat, like a black cowboy hat. This corset I could leave on this top. Get you a black like poofy skirt. It don't have to be black. Black or red would be good. I think like a solid skirt, solid poofy skirt, cute. Get you some a heeled boot, like a wedge. I think preferably a wedge boot. Tall or ankle length. Oh my goodness, that would be so cute. And then accessorize with some jewelry. Get you some, you know, some earrings on. Get you some hoops. And boom, you got yourself a nice, cute outfit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that up because now I want to see it. I'm seeing it in my head. But yeah, this was a video. This was it, you guys. This is it. Let me put it back on the hanger. It's wrinkled. I don't know if you guys can see the full effect like I am right now, but it eats to me. I like it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this hopefully short video. I gotta stop talking so much because I think I'm making these videos longer than it really needs to be. But anyways, nonetheless, I hope you liked it. Subscribe for more content like this. Get ready for new content, you guys. Get ready for new content because I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. And yeah, we're just gonna have fun with it because I am. But yeah, until next time, bye.